Okay, Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to today's class. So, in previous class, we have discussed the ferrous alloys, which includes cast iron and steel. Today, we will be starting with the non-ferrous alloys, and it includes alloys uh, of metals include aluminum, magnesium, copper, zinc, tin, and nickel. So coming towards the first alloy, which is the alloys of aluminum. Aluminum alloys. So aluminum alloys include aluminum alloys are generally considered to be very castable. Okay, so they are good casting alloys. And if we look at the melting temperature of aluminum, it's 660 degrees centigrade. So the alloy's temperature will lie somewhere in this range, 600, 700, or maximum up to 800 degrees centigrade. Okay, so the melting temperature of aluminum itself is 660 degree centigrade. Okay, sorry for this misspelling. So overall, if we compare it with the cast iron or steel, the melting temperature or the pouring temperature is too much low. Okay, so the pouring temperature is too much low, and it will have much ease on the foundry. Okay, pour temperature is low as compared to cast iron or steel. So the properties include it has appearance, lightweight, and we can achieve multiple range of properties when subject the aluminum alloy to heat or other processes. Okay, such as like other machining processes. So wide range of wide range of properties can be achieved when aluminum alloy is subjected to heat treatments and machining processes. Now coming towards the second type, which is the uh, magnesium. So magnesium is the second type of alloy. Magnesium, we are not talking about magnesium, we are talking about magnesium alloy. Okay, so magnesium, magnesium itself is the lightest material, and its alloys are corrosion resistant and they have much higher ratios of uh, strength weight ratio and the stiffness to weight ratio. So per the unit weight of the magnesium, it provides much better strength, okay, or it can absorb much better energy in the its elastic region. So stiffness is higher as compared to its weight, or the strength is higher as compared to its weight. Okay. Now the third type, which is the copper, very important, and it includes the bronzy, and it includes the bronzy, brass, and aluminium bronzy. Okay, so these are alloys of made of copper. And how what is bronzy? Bronzy is actually the uh, combination of copper and zinc. Bronzy is equal to copper plus zinc, and brass is equal to copper plus tin plus some other elements. Okay, so keep remember that. So copper has some good properties regarding casting. It is much easier to cast, and sorry for the misspelling. It has much good strengths, but it has one issue. Okay, the issue is that the cost of copper is too much high. Okay, cost of copper is too much high. So at some time avoided. Then we have the tin alloys. Fourth one is tin. So tin is the lightest material, lightest lightest material. Sorry, it is not light. It is the magnesium. It has the lowest melting point. Is the lowest melting point in the non-ferrous alloys are the non lowest melting point metal. It is metal itself, and the alloys is we will here it is the tin alloys. Okay, copper alloys. So lowest melting point metal itself, you're talking about tin. Okay, and the also we can easily cast alloys, easily cast uh, tin alloys. Okay, it has good corrosion resistance. It has lower mechanical properties. Its strength, stiffness, etc. are lower. Okay. Now the next one is the zinc, and zinc is commonly used Zinc is commonly used is in die casting. It has low melting point. Again, it is corrosion resistant. But the issue is it has low creep strength. So with this, we cannot subject zinc alloys to prolonged stresses. So you know the creep that the measure of the how the material performs when subjected to prolonged stresses. Okay, so zinc has the lowest or the low creep strength. Then talking about nickel, again nickel has good strength. Sorry, let me put it here. Nickel has good strength and it has again it's corrosion resistant and it's suitable for high temperature applications. Okay, this is the good point in nickel, suitable for high temperature applications. And let me add one point here and good corrosion resistance. So it's suitable for high temperature applications, which includes the uh, applications includes to use in the jet engines and rocket parts, and the most important, the heat shields. Okay. Now coming towards the last one, which is the titanium, and is the titanium, which is also the non-ferrous alloys. So there is an issue with that it's good as a corrosion resistance. It's a it is a good material as a corrosion resistant, but it has higher melting point, higher melting point. And also, if we measure the temperature to weight ratio, it's also higher. Okay, so temperature to weight ratio is higher. That means that it absorbs much energy as compared to its unit weight. Okay. Uh, and another point, it has low fluidity. So that is why we use titanium alloys very oftenly. Okay, so it is not recommended, but for some applications it can be used. And rest we have discussed the other six different alloys which can be actively used in casting. Okay, so it's enough for today. Thank you so much.